So for task 10E, we need just to create the task based on task 10D. So I just copy pasted and I named it task 10E. And then we're going to produce a report. So starting with a query first, we're going to list the details of all the customers who are given the discount between 5 and 15%. So when you find the word between, that means 5 will be included and 15 as well will be included. Unless if it is mentioned more than 5 or less than 15, at that time it will not include those mentioned numbers. In this case, 5 should be included, 15 as well should be included. So let's go right now to our database and let's create. Okay, right. Before we're doing anything, it's all related right now to the percentage. So we need to make sure as well the discount is in percentage. So get back again to your customer table, make sure it is in percentage. If you still did not convert it into percentage, just go to the design view, in discount, go over here and make sure it is in percent, the format, just choose percent and make sure the decimal places are 0. Okay, after that, let's go right now and create the query design. Let's add our table and they ask to add all the details. When you run it, you will notice we have up to 40 records and the discounts can vary between different numbers. We need to make it right now more than 5%. It includes 5%. So let's start with, so 5% is 0.05. So that should be more than 5. You will notice 5% is not here. So we need to say more than and equal or greater than and equal to 5. So you can see that right now 5 is included. So we need to also say and, so it should be also less than 15%. So less than and equal to 15% will be 0.15. So that will give us between 5 and 15%. Okay. Okay. The next point they said also they mentioned for each customer, we need to list the model purchase, the discount, and the price. So discount already mentioned. We need to add the model and price. And these two are in other tables. So it's in the product table. So add the model and add the price. As you can see here, that's it. So save it. I named it by task 10E and the customer's discounts between 5 and 15% inclusively or inclusive. Okay, and let's go to create right now, report wizard. Let's add them all from the previous query, add all the details or fields. Next over here, I'm going to choose landscape, next, and then put the name and customer report. Choose a different name. Okay, I'm just going to change a bit because the name already, I did it once before. I'm just going to change that one. Okay. So we need to do a bit of adjustments. Just make sure everything is visible and do the adjustments whatever needed. So that's the final result after adjustment. Just main important point, make sure that all the fields, headers, titles, names are visible.